वेलकम टू यू ऑन माय चैनल दिल्ली IAS। दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 20 एंड जो मेरा टारगेट है UPSC CSE 2024 वो है 26 मई 2024 को एंड डेज आर रिमेनिंग ओनली 349 डेज। ओके फ्रेंड्स, so but before going further I want to discuss one thing that yesterday I was not able to upload my daily progress report and after analyzing I found that due to health issue I didn't study yesterday very well according to my schedule, so I didn't upload my daily progress report. But I found that it is not good. From next time onwards, even if I study even 1 minute, I should upload my daily progress report so that there should be transparency in my studying. Okay, so without any delay, let's start what will be my today's schedule and what I will do today to achieve my target. Okay, so as you can see, this is June 2023 and date is 12th of June. So let us start what will be my today's schedule. My day will start basically I have 4 study block from 8 to 9 and from 8 to 9 and then 10 to 11, then 1 to 2 p.m, then 3 to 4 p.m. During these 4 study hours, basically because yesterday I didn't study, I will do pending work, that is revision 3 of GS2, GS3, GS4 and sociology. Okay, revision 3 of last week, I mean whatever I have studied during last week, I will do its third revision during today's schedule. Okay, and during this time from evening 6 to 8 I will do if anything, this is buffer time. If anything is remaining, then I will do it during this time. Okay, then 9 to 10 I will plan for my this week, that is from Monday to Saturday. What I will do its planning, how I will study. Okay, and then from 10 to 11 I will do analysis or COB, margin gain and analysis, whatever I have studied today. So friends, this was my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve it and I will send today in the night my daily progress report. You must watch that. Okay, daily progress report. Okay, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.